anytime you're playing fucking Oregon Trail with somebody, they always fort the river, and you're like, don't fort the river, you idiot. They fort the river, it ends up being too deep, everybody drowns. Or most of everybody drowns.
Well, then it also depends on how much weight you have.
I've never had that make a difference. It either makes it across or sinks. It's never really, well, I mean, I've always gone max load though.
Whoa.
Shit, bud.
I actually saw a BMW user use their turn signal.
That's a fucking unicorn.
If she wasn't so reliable, I'd call bullshit. You know, you can tell it's a good transmission when it slaps into gear with authority. At least that's what I think. I mean, is that a good sign?
As long as it doesn't jerk. As long as it doesn't jerk and doesn't shudder, you're doing great. Which is really just how about like when you give it throttle input.
And just try and keep it constant.
If you're keeping it constant and keeping it slow and steady, that's all you can ask for. We're right next to the Navarro Pecan Company.
Where the fuck is he going? Jesus Christ!
What the fuck just happened there?
Save that one.
It kicked rocks up on you.
Sure did. Sprayed me good.
This didn't chip any of the window. Otherwise, we'd probably have to. Oh.
Blocker car.
Fucking A right. Good job, blocker car.
Cut that bitch right off. Yeah, that was perfect. I wouldn't have been able to get over otherwise. She pulled over
That
right
was
in front
gold.
of somebody. It was excellent.
It was pretty good.
You're goddamn right it was. Don't fall, bud. Oh, he hurt me. Don't fall, buddy. I don't care what happens in the next few seconds. You're just not allowed to fall.